Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jumping right in, I'm starting off with my hair blow dried. We're going to be using perm rods today. And for this, you guys, you only need mousse. So I'm going to be using the Lotta Body Milk and Honey Curl Defining Mousse. And that is all you need. So basically what I did was I just used one pump and I worked from the tips of my hair all the way down to the roots. And then I went in with the little small fine tooth comb because my hair was blow dried so like it could handle it. And then afterwards, I went over it one more time just to make sure it was very detangled. And then I took my rod, made sure I smoothed the ends of my hair down flat on the rod. And then I just rolled all the way down, nothing fancy, not complicated or anything like that. And then when I got right almost to the roots, I just twisted it to make sure it wasn't puffy. And then I secured it at the end. And that is all you have to do. So I'm going to go over it one more time just to show you guys. I used one pump, just one pump of the mousse, went over it with the fine tooth comb, and then I made sure I laid the ends of my hair on the rod, and I rolled it down all the way, and then right before I got to my roots, I twisted it, and then I secured it at the end. The most important thing here, guys, is to make sure your hair is flat on the rod when you're rolling it down. Because we're not doing any spirals or anything like that, it's just a straight roll it down. You got to make sure your ends are flat on the rod because then it'll get frizzy and things like that. So you want to make sure the ends of your hair are very flat on the rod. You roll it all the way down and then you're going to twist it when you get almost at the roots, and then you're going to secure it at the end. So basically, once I finished, I just checked some of them because some of them got like a little bit loose and I didn't like that. So I just checked them, like I retwisted them a little bit just to make sure like it laid a certain way because I actually wanted a side part. So once I finished that, then I just went under the dryer. I actually was under the dryer for like I think about an hour and a half-ish, not too long because my hair was blow dried. So basically, once my hair was fully dried, I put some oil in my hands and I just took the rods out. I didn't really do anything special. I didn't like roll it a certain way, nothing like that. So I just took the rods out and then that was pretty much it. And then when it was time for me to separate my curls, I did the same process that I always do. I took a section of the hair and then I split it into however big or small, like if you want your curls to be big or small or medium, whatever size you want it to be, you take that section and then you just twirl the ends around your finger. So the reason why you twirl the ends around your finger is because you want to keep that curl pattern at the end that you see right there. If you don't twirl it around your finger, you're not going to have that curl pattern at the end. So to ensure that you have that curl pattern and it stays in that shape, the next day and so on and so forth, you just twirl around your fingers so it can keep that shape and have that bouncy look that you see right here. Once I finished that, I got my pick, and then basically for the pick, I just lifted at the roots. So you go in the roots of your hair and you lift so you can hide where all the parts are. Make sure you don't lift the actual curls, but the roots of your hair. And then basically just play around with it. You know what I'm saying? Like get it to a size that you want it to be. Like if you want your hair to be big or small or whatever, just like keep playing with it until you get it to a certain shape, a certain size, whatever makes you happy really is what you do here. Like usually I go for like big, but with this style, I wanted to keep it as it was because I actually liked how it was looking. Like it wasn't too big, it wasn't too small, so I actually liked it. I didn't want to make it like too big and messed it up. Then I went in with some edge control from the Sassy Gal. Now, I'm not the best with edge control, but like I tried. So basically, I just went in with the edge control just to like further simplify this side part right here. So I just put it on my edges a little bit and then I got like my bobby pins just to make the cut like a deeper part, but that's pretty much it. This part is optional. If you want to, you really don't have to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Look at these curls. Come on, come through. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.